Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Open Settings and go to Accounts to start Windows Hello setup. Click Sign-in Options to view available authentication methods. Confirm your device has a compatible infrared camera or fingerprint reader before continuing. Plug in external fingerprint readers and connect webcams if needed. Make sure Windows is updated through Windows Update before enrollment. Have your Microsoft account credentials ready to link biometric login with an account. Prepare a strong, memorable 4-digit PIN to serve as a backup sign-in method. Click Face Recognition or Fingerprint and choose Setup to enroll biometrics. Follow the on-screen prompts while keeping your face centered within 3.5 inches of the camera. Slowly turn your head to capture multiple angles during face enrollment for better reliability. Enroll fingerprints by lifting and resting the same finger until progress reaches 100%. Repeat fingerprint enrollment for at least 2 fingers to avoid lockout. Choose to require a PIN after every restart for stronger security. Open sign-in options to change, remove, or troubleshoot Windows Hello credentials. Reset a forgotten PIN using your Microsoft account credentials or local account verification. Re-enroll biometrics after hardware driver updates or if the system fails to recognize you consistently. Update camera or fingerprint drivers through Device Manager when devices stop responding. Disable Windows Hello features under Sign-in Options to remove biometric data permanently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.